Welcome to the Nature Fury Unleashed YouTube channel. Get ready to witness the fury of nature. We will bring you face to face with nature's most extreme disasters. Nature's Fury Unleashed, a phenomenon you won't believe your eyes. From devastating storms, violent tornadoes, hurricanes, typhoons, cyclones and tropical storms to uncontrollable catastrophic floods with destructive earthquakes, massive landslides and unpredictable weather events, we showcase the raw, untamed power that shapes our planet. Stay connected with us by subscribing and experience the fury firsthand. Whether you're fascinated by extreme weather, love thrilling visuals, or want to learn more about these incredible natural forces, you've come to the right place. Right now, viewer, are you ready to see the wrath of nature? Okay then, let's get started. The Oued Alatli is experiencing severe flooding with a massive flow of water and mud surging through the area. The intense force of the floodwaters has led to the destruction of a bridge, washing it away completely. A video captured by a visitor as they exited the park shows a dramatic incident unfolding near the north entrance station in Gardiner, Montana. The footage captures the unfolding chaos as the situation rapidly escalates, providing a real-time glimpse into the unexpected events that occurred in the area. Relentless rainfall caused the Po River in Turin, Italy to swell beyond its banks, triggering severe flooding. As the raging waters surged through the city, they swept away two iconic tourist boats, Valentino and Valentina, which had long been a fixture along the river. The powerful current carried the vessels downstream until they collided with a bridge, a dramatic moment captured on video. The impact proved devastating. Valentina sank, disappearing beneath the floodwaters. The event was a striking testament to the raw force of nature, as the historic flooding disrupted daily life and caused significant damage across northern Italy. The scene of the boats being helplessly dragged by the river underscored the uncontrollable might of the flood, leaving a lasting memory of the disaster. The Po River flood remains one of the most striking natural events to impact Turin in recent history. One dramatic moment, captured on video, showed a multi-story house breaking apart before being swallowed by the floodwaters, a haunting display of nature's force. The raging river surged with unstoppable force, tearing through everything in its path. Houses sat helplessly on the eroding riverbanks, their foundations crumbling as the relentless current gnawed away at the land beneath them. Suddenly, a massive home, standing tall just moments before, began to tilt. Cracks split through its walls, windows shattered, and within seconds, the entire structure gave way. With a deafening crash, it plunged into the churning waters, breaking apart as the flood carried it downstream like driftwood. People watched in shock, some screaming, others frozen as they filmed the destruction unfolding before their eyes. Debris, pieces of homes, furniture, and shattered glass swirled in the furious torrent. More houses teetered on the edge, their fates already sealed. The river, swollen beyond recognition, had claimed the land, swallowing roads, trees, and anything that dared to stand in its way. This wasn't just a flood, it was nature's raw, unforgiving wrath, reducing everything to ruin in a matter of moments. The devastation left behind was staggering, a brutal reminder of how easily the world people build can be swept away in an instant. Relentless floodwaters swept through Juneau, Alaska, after a massive glacial outburst from the Suicide Basin, a lake adjacent to the Mendenhall Glacier. The sudden release of water caused the Mendenhall River to swell beyond its limits, triggering catastrophic erosion along its banks. As the raging current intensified, homes perched near the river's edge began to collapse.
There it goes.
A powerful severe weather outbreak swept across the southeastern plains of the United States, affecting approximately 35 million people. 5 intense storms battered East Texas, North Louisiana, Southwest Arkansas, and Southeast Oklahoma, impacting more than 8 million residents. The storms extended to major cities, including Dallas, Fort Worth, and Shreveport, while Memphis, Little Rock, Waco, Houston, Austin, and Jackson also endured the brunt of the extreme weather. From Oklahoma to Ohio, more than 24 million people experienced the storm's force, with rainfall totals reaching 5 to 8 inches in many areas. The strong winds and heavy hail left people terrified as the storm raged on. The damaging winds inflicted severe destruction on numerous structures, while hailstorms battered vehicles, shattering windshields and denting parked cars. A series of tornadoes tore through southern Arkansas, northern Louisiana, Texas, and Louisiana, leveling homes and toppling large vehicles on highways. The powerful winds brought down power lines, leaving vast areas without electricity. In the Dallas-Fort Worth metroplex, wind gusts ranging from 60 to 80 miles per hour battered the region. The tornadoes caused widespread devastation as they tore through Texas, uprooting trees and destroying buildings. Power outages were extensive, with more than 320,000 homes and businesses left in the dark across Texas, according to poweroutage.us. Lightning strikes led to temporary ground outages at Austin and San Antonio airports, further disrupting normal operations. Cyclone Judy tore through the archipelago with winds reaching 165 kilometers per hour, uprooting trees, ripping roofs from homes, and knocking out power. Torrential rains flooded roads and low-lying areas, forcing mass evacuations as water levels surged. The storm intensified, prompting the closure of schools and businesses, while Air Vanuatu halted all flights. Emergency teams worked tirelessly, relocating families to higher ground and providing shelter to the displaced. As the cyclone finally passed, the devastation was immense. Flattened homes, shattered infrastructure, and communities struggling to recover. Rescue teams mobilized swiftly, assessing damage and delivering urgent aid to those in need. A powerful winter storm has battered multiple states across the United States, unleashing heavy snowfall, blizzards, and dangerously icy conditions. Strong winds, reduced visibility, and freezing temperatures have made travel nearly impossible in several regions, leading to widespread road closures and flight cancellations. Many areas have recorded several feet of snow, stranding residents and overwhelming emergency responders. The storm has also caused significant power outages as heavy snow and ice bring down power lines and trees. Officials have urged people to stay indoors, avoid unnecessary travel, and prepare for prolonged disruptions. In addition to snowfall, freezing rain has created treacherous road conditions, contributing to numerous accidents and delays. Thousands of homes and businesses remain without electricity, leaving residents vulnerable to extreme cold. Shelters have been opened in affected areas to assist those in need, as emergency crews work around the clock to clear roads and restore power. As temperatures fluctuate, concerns rise over potential flooding caused by melting snow and ice. Authorities continue to monitor conditions closely, warning residents to remain cautious. With more storms possible, the situation remains unpredictable, and officials urge the public to stay informed through local weather updates and advisories.